everybody, what's up? Anthony here, and today we are going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this, so I got face paint. Yeah, I got face paint from Extended Day. So let's get straight into it. I don't know why I'm doing this again. I'm very scared. Let's just do this. Okay, I'm gonna probably make a mess, so I'm gonna put this over a cup. Cause if you know, I am horrible at doing this.
And he's gonna
Get in the spoon.
Times.
No, I'm not. That's my sister just being silly. Okay. Oh, and I don't know if you can see, but it's like holes, so I can't just pour it in. Okay, ready? I got an entire spoon of cinnamon. Right here. Entire spoon. See? I'm going to close this up. Okay. I'm going to do this over the sink. Yes. No, it's fine. I'll just put it right here. Okay, ready? I'm over the sink. See, I'm over the sink. I'm very scared. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Get me water! Get me water, quick! Get off it. Oh, my mom.
No.
Oh my God.
That's why you shouldn't do things like that.
No, it just hurts.
Да, прополощи, не надо просто выплевывать воду.
You failed.
Yes, Vika. I failed. Oh God.
Now you know how it feels.
Yep. It feels like.
Why would you do
It doesn't.
something like that to yourself?
It doesn't feel uncomfortable.
It doesn't.
It just hurts a little.
And how is hurting not uncomfortable?
I don't know. Whatever.
Hurting is uncomfortable.
Oh my God. Okay, I think I'm done.
So, are you ever gonna do that again?
No. Do not.
Do not do this at home.
If anyone is watching, do not do this at home. I'm not kidding. Okay, I'm not done. Don't do this at home. I'm not kidding. Get out of my system! Okay, all you just do is swallow. I'm not doing that now.
Turn it off now. Appropriate. Turn it off now. Not only inappropriate, stupid.
Okay. I'll get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Oh my god. Cinnamon came out. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave a like. Because I freaking tried a spoon of cinnamon. It hurt. Okay. So anyway, bye. Subscribe, like, do whatever you want. Bye.